He go to school? No, let's fix that. Today I'll help you avoid 3 grammar mistakes.
Cherish English.
Welcome to Cherish English, the place where you will boost your grammar, sharpen your speaking skills, and speak real English with confidence every day. Mistake 1. Subject-verb agreement. He go to school. He goes to school. For he, she, it, add s to the verb in the present simple. She like? She likes. Mistake number 2. Using don't instead of doesn't. He don't like tea. He doesn't like tea. Use doesn't with he, she, it and drop s from the verb. He doesn't likes. He doesn't like. Mistake 3. Forgetting the verb to be. She happy today. She is happy today. Always use am, is, are with adjectives. I am tired. She's busy. They are ready. Practice challenge. Fill in the blanks and tell me your answers in the comments. He, to work every day. She, like spicy food. I, excited about this video. Write your answers below and don't forget to subscribe. Tomorrow we're learning daily routine vocabulary you can use every morning. This was Cherish English. See you on day 5.